In this video, I'm going to show you how to animate texts like you see in this Chili's commercial. To the end, I just added a color background to my timeline as well as some text. Let's start by selecting our text layer on the timeline and heading up to Effect Controls. Position the time at the start of your text clip. Use the Type tool to select your tags and then change the text size to 100. Then put 3 spaces between each letter using the Type tool. Click the stopwatch toggle next to source tags to create a starting keyframe. Since my sequence is at 60 frames per second, I'm going to press my right arrow key twice to move the time at 2 frames to the right. If your sequence is at 30 FPS, just move the time at 1 frame to the right. Select your text with the Type tool and increase the font size to 150. Delete 1 space between each character so that there's 2 spaces between them. Making these changes will create a second keyframe. Select your text and effect controls and press the right arrow key twice, move the time head forward another 2 frames. Again, if you're working with a 30 FPS sequence, just move forward 1 frame, select your tags and increase the font size to 300. Using the Type tool, get rid of all the spaces between your letters. Doing this will create your final keyframe. Now when I play this back, we have the animation that you see in the commercial. Keep in mind that you don't have to use my exact values to do this. What's important is that you understand in the process of adding and removing spaces and changing the size of the text. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.